Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today we will be learning Lesson 8, the story of the Tower of Babel, and some new English phrases for you to practice. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Picture. Picture. The picture on the wall is very colorful. Picture. Want. Want. The man wants to eat chicken. Want. Make. Make. The girl likes to make new things. Make. Tower. Tower. You are very safe if you live in a strong tower. Tower. Reach. Reach. I reach out my hand to touch your hand. Reach. Name. Name. Hello, my name is Miss Taylor. What is your name? Name. Pleased. Pleased. My grandparents are pleased to meet you. Please. Messed up. Messed up. The house is so messed up, I can't find anything. Messed up. Languages. Languages. There are many languages in the world. For example, there is English, Arabic, and Chinese. These are all languages. Languages. Words. Words. Words are made from letters of the alphabet. Words. Continue. Continue. I continue to walk for 1 hour. Continue. Can. Can. We can do many difficult things if we work together. Can. Speak. Speak. I speak English, Chinese, and Khmer. Speak. Understand. Understand. I understand the new vocabulary words. Understand. Grace. Grace. Grace is something you do not earn or deserve, but God freely gives it to you. Grace. Saved. Saved. Saved means to be rescued from something dangerous. Jesus saves us when we believe in Him. Saved. Faith. Faith. Faith means to believe in something you cannot see. You need faith to believe in God. Faith. Great job! Now let's learn our power verse. Are you ready? Ephesians chapter 2, verse 8. For it is by grace you have been saved, through faith. And this is not from yourselves, it is the gift of God. You know these words. Grace, grace, saved, saved, faith, faith. Let's read it one more time. Ephesians chapter 2, verse 8. For it is by grace you have been saved, through faith. And this is not from yourselves, it is the gift of God. Awesome job. Now let's read My Precious Book together. Are you ready? My Precious Book, page 15. The people in the picture wanted to make a tower that reached heaven and named it Babel. God was not pleased with this and messed up their languages so that they could not understand each other's words. That way, they could not continue to build the tower. How did God stop them from building the Tower of Babel? We can learn 3 important lessons from our story and from the power verse. Number 1, we can only reach heaven through God, not by ourselves. Number 2, God gives us a free gift called grace. Number 3, if we believe in God and have faith, He will give us this free gift. Great job. Now let's learn our new English vocabulary words. Are you ready? I can't understand you. I can't understand you. Can you please speak slowly? Can you please speak slowly? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? I am learning to speak English. I am learning to speak English. I speak Khmer. I speak Khmer. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Can you speak Khmer? Can you speak Khmer? How do you say in English? How do you say in Khmer? For example, how do you say "Susadai" in English? How do you say hello in Khmer? Now we need to learn a little bit of English grammar. The verb is can. Can means you are able to do something. I can. I can't. You can. You can't. He can. He can't. She can. She can't. We can. We can't. They can. They can't. Let's look at some examples. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. No, I can't swim. Can he speak English? Yes, he can speak English. No, he can't speak English. Can we study English together? Yes, we can study together. No, we can't study together. Great job, everyone. Let's practice our new words and our new grammar together in the dialogue. Please listen carefully. Hello, my name is Mr. Smith. What is your name? My name is Dave. Nice to meet you. I am pleased to meet you too. Welcome to our class. Do you speak many languages? I am learning English. I speak Khmer and I speak a little Chinese. That's great. Do you have siblings? I don't understand. Could you please repeat that? Of course. Do you have siblings? That means, do you have brothers or sisters? I understand. I have 2 siblings. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words and these new English phrases to help you to speak with other people. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!